Hello everybody, welcome to Language Tech. Let's learn English vocabulary about school in just 1 minute. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon in order not to miss our next lessons. Let's get started. Campus vocabulary. Quad, field, bleachers, administrators, principal, assistant principal, counselor. I hope you learned well. Practice this video several times and please subscribe to our channel to support us. If you want to be the first person who enjoys our lessons, hit the bell icon. Bye for now.